Jack Isquith from Sotheby's International Realty. I'd love to show you 341 West 87th Street, 1F. Let's take a look. On first blush, heading into this property may feel a bit like falling into a beautiful dream. Situated on a park block, tree-lined, peaceful, and special. As you enter the building, you move through impressive doors that reveal a wide staircase featuring old-world wood banisters and panels. Apartment 1F occupies the south-facing parlor level of this grand building and reveals a fully renovated home perched above the street below. The living room features loft-like 11-foot ceilings, massive windows with beautiful handcrafted shutters, and a step-out Juliet-balcony that looks out on a pretty stretch of tree-lined 87th Street. A large wood-burning fireplace with a stunning mantle anchors the room. As you take in the expanse, you will notice the rich oak flooring in a tasteful herringbone pattern with inlays of Peruvian walnut and maple, recessed lighting, and lovely yet practical storage. Additionally, the floor-to-ceiling bookcase and desk swivels to reveal a queen-sized, resource furniture, 5-star Murphy bed. Completing the room is a charming loft area and its accompanying sliding Putnam library ladder. The luxury kitchen includes quartz countertops, beautiful custom cabinetry, and a Fisher & Paykel refrigerator, as well as an AGA companion stove, top-end microwave, dishwasher, and garbage disposal. The bathroom is equally well thought out and beautifully appointed, with handcrafted tiling, custom storage, a lovely full-size stall shower, and a modern heated towel bar. Every aspect of this home's renovation has been carefully constructed to maximize the space while honoring the beauty found only in this kind of original architecture. You're in a great Upper West Side location, close to Zabar's, Whole Foods, and Trader Joe's for food shopping, and a slew of great cultural institutions. Whether your view of culture is the Museum of Natural History on 81st Street in Columbus, or Barney Greengrass on Amsterdam between 86th and 87th Street. It's all right here. So thanks very much for taking this video tour of 341 West 87th Street. If you'd like to see it in person now, reach on out and I'll get you right in.